LOD HA-M30 integrated amplifier to, stereo amplifier. So yan, kita mo dyan, buksan mo, may speaker switch on and off, bass, treble, loudness, tapos stereo mono mode, tsaka mix mic. So nasa ano ngayon tayo, nasa auxiliary, sa papatugtog ako. Kaya gumamit ako ng Bluetooth receiver. Naala natin, medyo gabi na kasi ngayon eh. Ito tumunog oh. So ito yung salamin niya, yan. Loudness off. On. Bass.
There once was a time and there once was a way. We had something going extra miles away. Attention to me seemed to drift though I don't know where.
The speaker off niya. Switch. Ito naman. Stereo mono. Mono pag nakapindot. Stereo pag nawala.